All right, what's happening, guys? Interesting thing today. Got a package in the mail from Sena. I've used tons of different helmets over the years, but one thing I will say is that like the tech side of the stuff is really draws me in. I've told people this. Once you have a comm system, you can't go back. Like you'll never ride without one. They're that good. My beef is always the comm systems on the outside of the helmet. They just look bulky. I don't really care for them. The other day I was riding with one and I had a vest with a collar. You turn your head, the wheel adjusts the volume without it's kind of a mess. So I was at AIM Expo, talked to Sena. I actually looked at like some of their helmets and was just checking out all the tech, and they sent me one to try out. I haven't even opened this, so I actually don't even know which one they sent me, and we're gonna figure that out. So I'm gonna open this thing up and we'll see what we got. But definitely like, I'm kind of feeling like probably anyone that's watched this probably has ridden with a comm system. If you haven't, you don't know what you're missing, because it's really, they are that good. They're so nice. We got a little bandana here. All right. Nice, good packaging. All right, what do we got? I tried on like maybe 3 different helmets at the show, so I just said, surprise me. Let's see what you got. Let's see what we got. Okay, cool. Modular. Flip up modular. I do remember trying this on. It's got the standard modular stuff, the little glasses that fold down. I have to remove this. What do we got here? Oh, this is charger. Built-in battery here. Oh, this has the brake lights and stuff in it too. These have lights in the back that you can hook up. So when you hit your brakes, it actually has like a motion sensor in it, like an inertia sensor. So when you hit the brakes, this will flash. It's kind of nice. That's the other thing for the glasses. Yeah, peel this lens up. Nice. This is actually cool. Quick release buckle with a little ratchet deal in here. That's always nice, because like doing this sometimes is kind of a pain in the ass, but that's just a little quick release. That's cool. Yeah. Let's see, peel this up. Obviously, I don't have my phone's not paired to this yet, but that's actually the whole comm system right there. That's everything. Built-in speakers, Harman Kardon, I believe, on these. But yeah, clean design, the normal vent stuff happening here. Charge port there. Let's see. And this is literally first try on with this thing. Yeah, fits good. It's not, doesn't feel pinchy anywhere like that. Mic, there's a wind sock for the mic right here. This is cool, you can adjust it however you like. Got the chin strap under here. Fits good. Pin lock. Yeah, it's pretty lightweight. For having the stuff built into it, it's definitely feels lighter than the stuff I've been using before. Again, I actually really like that. That's really super convenient, quick. That's probably so far my favorite feature, other than the tech stuff, which I haven't even turned on yet. But this is nice. I actually might have to bring this on my trip with me. Test this out. But yeah, nice shape, good aerodynamic there. I guess the next thing will be the follow-up video with the sort of review or whatever of this. But yeah, looks nice. I mean, quality seems good. It's actually pretty lightweight for being a modular and having, you know, the headphones in there already, the comm system in there already. But yeah, we'll give it the audio test and give it the road test and do some miles on this thing and see what's what. Cool. Sena, check it out.